So before I started this project, I was limited by the rubber I had to continue with the LV setup. But now I should actually make more. Now the latex production is full here again. Alright, I wanted to make charcoal. Okay, that is good. Is the granite now? No. Okay. One sec, I need to fix that. Instead of sending them back again to the crafter, I would just delete these for now. This is not repacking any of these inside. So all of them okay, 1 second, I'm gonna stop this for now and clean everything up. That was the last one. And clean this one up. Charcoal. Make some blocks. Alright. Then let's go and make a stack of that. Okay, these were inside here. But I want 4 of these now. Since I now have a larger buffer here, maybe they don't get stuck. Let's see. Okay, make more magnetite. And just a bit more steel. I think that's enough for now anyway, because I'm gonna make the blast furnace pretty soon, the electric blast furnace, and then I don't need this one anymore anyway. First priority though is the rubber setup. LV rubber setup. This should be the last time I need to do this. Okay. Then some sulfur. 27, I think that's maybe not enough. Times 3, yeah, not enough. But I have more of the tiny piles here. Okay. Is this one not getting stuck? And they are being made. Okay. Okay, get the 51 out. Probably a lot of crafting will start immediately now. Yeah, for making... Ah no, these I deactivated for now. Okay, no, it will just fill up. That is good because... First of all, I can remove this. This one not yet. This one also not yet. This one can be gone. This I maybe need more, but I need this one. The centrifuge, then the chemical reactor, and the fluid solidifier. Because I still need to make the rubber plates. These rubber sheets. Okay. So, make some wrought iron. No more. I hope I just put more already in here. Yes, that's good. This time I won't be using that for making more steel. But yeah, just put all of them in here. Okay, can I make this one? Yes. That means all 4 circuits are used up and a lot of crafting will start. But everything automated. Just need to wait. Alright, tin cables are also used now. So then I'm gonna build the... I'm gonna quickly build a layout for this. So now what I will build this here, and what I will also use now is the mod I added, the bottler, because I will store the glue inside a tank. Glue is being used making resistors and the circuit boards. Then the rubber pulp in the chemical reactor that makes the liquid rubber, which is put into the fluid solidifier to make the sheets. but also into a tank, which then will be used by the liquid crafting system to make wires. Alright, so I will use that for the machines, basically. I will have the sticky resin incoming here, so no, a bit more here. Sticky resin, this one will face into the machine. I can actually already put the machine there, because I have the centrifuge already. And the next step is output the glue. Output the glue into the fluid tank. I will make a fluid tank over here. I will just make it too high for now. And then one of these bottlers should be going here, providing the glue to the system. Then next is a drawer. Where's this one? One drawer should be going here. These will receive plant bolts. And the item pipe that is transferring these out from the centrifuge should be going here to a chemical reactor. I write this one, I don't have yet. It should be going here to the chemical reactor. And this one as well needs a fluid tank for the rubber liquid output. That will be supplied with a bottler to the system, but also here to a fluid solidifier that will be outputting the rubber sheets to this drawer with a downgrade though, because a stack of rubber sheets should be enough. I need more of the liquid rubber than the rubber sheets. And then this one here still needs sulfur. So output from here. Actually, problem is I don't have the filters yet for this one. I think for the filters I need to make these click on the block to set destination. Right. So then I will actually use the Tom simple storage here. With the exporters. But then I need to put two exporters on the chemical reactor. Actually, I will do this with laser IO, because laser IO, I'm planning to use laser IO for the bit more complicated automation setups, especially also for clean room. So I want to automate these parts as well, but only like local laser IO, not using these here to transfer items all over the base, because that would like destroy the purpose of using these chain conveyors. Only small local processing factories are allowed with laser IO. Okay, I need these for that, this, and I think, yeah, some gold nuggets. I need the item cards and the filters. And for these I need to, okay, then these I need to craft manually. Make some now. Okay. Then crafting these should be very easy. Just take all. So I need to make gold nuggets. I didn't make this yet, right? No. Make like 18. I need the quartz block. Make that over here. Oh. Oh, did I? I did not. I knew it. Then I have to get the... Yeah, already starting here. But anyway, they have timer, and that means they will just reset and be crafted again. Any more incoming ones? Yeah, here. But it's fine. I think these were it, maybe. Okay. Then that's... And clay. Clay is here already. Okay, so I can now craft the raw logic chips. From that, from that, from the clay, and I think redstone. Yeah. The crafter, and make 8 of these. Then these need to be into the crate smelter. Four to 4 smelter. No. Stop. these ones here. 4 to 4. Smelter. Okay. Then once these are done, they will be used by the laser connector and the laser node. So that one needs glass. I have glass here. I do not have glass yet here. Then I will put it there. I also need the glass panes. Okay, I will need to make these manually. Same as glass. I cannot just smelt the glass dust. I will wait for the arc furnace for that. Okay. Glass dust. I just make a bit more glass then for now. And also cut more glass panes. More factory gauges. So the first thing, these here, made from glass, logic chips, redstone and iron. Redstone and iron. After make make 3 maybe, and then based on these, the laser nodes. What else? Iron as well. Okay. Very cheap. Make 4 of this one as well then. And maybe here just 4. But keep 8 of these always. And then next thing, lapis and the gold nugget. So lapis and the filter. Redstone, nugget, lapis, and redstone, and this one, and quartz. Make this one just 2 is fine, and filters as well. This will immediately make 4, that's good. Iron bars. And the rest is already there. Okay. These are already done, that's good. We have the item cards. Yep, that's all that I need. Okay, be right back, I need to go to toilet. Okay, I'm back. So, then let's get the sulfur from like a requester over over here. And then laser. So here is the reactor, chemical reactor. Here will be the output of these items. Here the sulfur, then here goes the plant bolt. And that is it, I think. The wrench, didn't I make the... I did not make the wrench yet? Okay. So this one goes... No, this one goes here and here. This one goes just here. Yeah, that's it. And then some fluid output going to the solidifier and the tank. And underneath here, I will put the soul-infused wire for the power. Which I can already do now. Okay. The wire cutter out. And then I also need... Did I make any 4 amp? No. I need one of the energy converters. Connect it here. And then if everything is set up correctly, this should now already have power. Okay. This looks kind of bad, but... No, I can't leave it like that. I've just put one more level below. And then put the die right back. Okay. And let's see, can I make the chemical reactor? Centrifuge I did. I cannot, but I can make this one and then the reactor. Why not? Less I should have, right? Yeah. Okay, I will check the crafting board, the factory gauges board. what's missing? Motors are there. Circuit is just one because there are no more vacuum tubes. But yeah, that's still a problem now because I can't make these yet without the extruder, the steel bolts, so I sometimes have to make this then manually. Okay, so I also need to set up the sulfur crafting because the rubber process needs sulfur dust, and I only have these tiny piles of sulfur right now. Once the ore factory is going, then some of the crushed ores have sulfur as byproducts, so then this one here is not required anymore. But for now, I wanna have always a stack of these. And I don't have anything anymore. Why? It was still in here, okay. Okay, the chemical reactor should be... I should be able to make that now. This one is going here then. Yeah, this one is going here. Extract. Then the test, I will already put some of the sticky resin. And of course the fluids should be output here to the fluid tank. Nice. Then the raw rubber pulp. I need item modules, item cards, and filter. I think I need more. So I need just an extractor that goes in here. And then an inserter for raw rubber. And also for sulfur. Because of this one here. It's also going to be connected. Here. And extractor here. So this should already put the raw rubber in here. That's good. And the plant board is not being extracted because we need one more item card with an insert filter for the plant boards. That will be here. Alright. I'm gonna lock this one just in case. Good. Then now a request for sulfur should deliver a few sulfur dusts. And when they're inside here, I forgot to put an extractor item card. Alright. That's the liquid rubber. Next, is the fluid solidifier. This one here, and I need 2 LV pumps. Okay. I need 4 rubber rings. And a lot of these. Actually, put them in the lathe to make screws. Okay. And I can make a few more of these. Tin 2 is enough for now. And the bronze pipes. Okay, rubber is in here, that's good. Where were the... There. Pumps. And of course one more casing. Now of course I need these. Didn't I just... Oh, because they will be used to make some other products. Okay. And that's the fluid solidifier, which is outputting their products to the oak drawer, which should be the rubber sheets, and I think I need the ingot mold or something. Plate, yeah. Okay. I will put some sulfur here again. I don't actually have any more rubber. So where's the sulfur? I just put all in here for now. Then this one here needs another bottler. I also need to automate these rock boards. This is supply glue. This is supply rubber or liquid rubber. And these 3 links will be connected to the network for the fluids and for the plant ball. Okay, this is running, and I can also hear this one. And here are the rubber sheets. Perfect. Everything is going. No more latex production required. Okay, another packager. Actually 2. One goes here for the plant board, but I will first connect the rubber sheets. Supply rubber sheet. And put the storage link. Okay, good. Then right, this one also storage link. And I will connect them here. No, that's too far away. Stop. Let's supply plant ball but the supply will be always very low. Not so many are being made here. Plant boil can be used for making biochaff, which then can be used for making biomass. These will be ethanol and required for ethylene to make polyethylene later. Pretty soon actually, here. Nah, actually not yet required for anything. Yeah, okay, I don't need to worry about that yet. Okay, rubber sheets are also filling up. Then, okay, the bottleneck is only this machine, but that is fine for now. I now need to still request the sulfur and the sticky resin. So, request sticky resin. Then put a factory gauge here with the sticky resin. It says 19 are in there. That is correct, and I always want 10 to be in there, and they should be requested via this frog pod. Same here, but it's request sulfur, and none are inside here. I could have moved this to here to save. 1 second, I want to try something if the frog pod can reach the distance to here. Nah, okay. It's fine. I've built it this way now. Then let's say always keep like 5 inside. They will be immediately moved to here until the stack of sulfur is full. And yeah, request with this one. Okay. I think I don't have any sulfur in the system. Yeah. I need to actually turn on the dust sieving. I can actually also make an upgrade now. Invar plates. Oh, right, I need to automate invar plates too. Okay. But for one running sieve, I think it's fine. That is very good. So that's rubber and glue automated. Next, I will build a few assemblers over here. And the first one is going to be an assembler for cables. So I'm planning to build it similar like this, but one bottler on the side of the assembler, basically. And this bottler is going to keep a small amount of liquids in stock for the assembler, so that the recipe is like without the liquid component, and just going to deliver the cable into the assembler. The assembler is full of rubber at any time and can make cables automatically. Same goes for the glue. There will be an assembler for glue, and then all the components, basically the resistors and the resin printed circuit boards, can be made in there. So I will make that over here, or actually I will use this side for that. Just extend it a little bit. Oh no. Okay. So I think just connect the output of these to here. So I don't need to build another one. But the first one, let's say on this one here is the, let's say I will put it here. One more back maybe. Then a bottler. This one has the, this one, fluid gauge. Wait. No way. Like, of course I tested that in a creative world, so I didn't craft these. Okay. 1 second, I'm gonna search something. Great Victory Logistics. Are there any issues with the fluid mechanism? Okay, I'm gonna end this stream here for now. I'm gonna have to search how to fix this, because otherwise the entire process doesn't make any sense if I can craft these. Okay. Well, see you later then, once I got this problem solved. Bye bye.